Hello traders around the world, listen carefully. This information is useful for future trading decisions. Be a wolf and learn what is going on around you. The impact of banking app, outages on individuals, companies, and bank stock prices. Banking applications have become a vital part of modern financial systems, enabling individuals and businesses to manage their finances efficiently. However, when these apps experience outages, the consequences can be significant for all stakeholders involved. Impact on individuals. For individuals, banking app outages can lead to immediate inconvenience. People may be unable to access their accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, or complete urgent transactions. This can cause stress, especially in situations where timely payments are critical, such as loan repayments or utility bills. Additionally, outages may erode trust in the bank's reliability, prompting customers to consider switching to competitors. Impact on companies. Businesses rely heavily on banking apps for payroll processing, vendor payments, and other financial operations. An outage can disrupt these activities, leading to delays in payments, strained relationships with suppliers, and potential penalties for late transactions. For small businesses in particular, such disruptions can have a cascading effect on their cash flow and overall operations. Impact on bank stock prices. In the financial markets, banking app outages can negatively affect a bank's stock price. Investors may perceive the outage as a sign of poor operational management or inadequate IT infrastructure, leading to a loss of confidence. This can result in a decline in the bank's market value, especially if the outage is prolonged or widely publicized. Causes of outages. Banking app outages can occur due to various reasons, including technical glitches, software bugs, or system failures, cyber attacks, distributed denial of service, DDoS attacks, or hacking attempts, server overload, high traffic volumes during peak times, maintenance issues, poorly planned or executed system updates, third-party failures, issues with external service providers or APIs, compensation for affected parties. Whether affected individuals or companies are compensated depends on the bank's policies and the regulatory framework in their country. Some banks may offer refunds for late payment fees or other penalties incurred due to the outage. However, compensation is not always guaranteed, and the process can be cumbersome. Is this a major problem? While banking app outages are not uncommon, their impact can vary. For some, it may be a minor inconvenience, while for others, it can lead to significant financial and reputational damage. The frequency and severity of these outages determine whether they are considered a major problem. Banks must invest in robust IT infrastructure and contingency plans to minimize such incidents. Proposed solutions for individuals and companies during banking app outages. Proposed solutions for individuals and companies during banking app outages. Banking app outages can be highly disruptive, but there are steps individuals and companies can take to mitigate the impact and ensure continuity in their financial activities. Below are some practical solutions. For individuals, maintain alternative payment methods. Keep a small amount of cash on hand for emergencies. Use multiple payment platforms, e.g., digital wallets like PayPal, Venmo, or Apple Pay, to avoid reliance on a single banking app. Set up alerts and notifications. Enable SMS or email notifications from your bank to stay informed about outages or updates. Monitor the bank's official social media channels for real-time announcements. Plan ahead for critical transactions. Schedule bill payments and transfers in advance to avoid last-minute issues. Keep a record of due dates and payment details to act quickly if an outage occurs. Use customer service channels. Contact the bank's customer service via phone or visit a branch if the app is down. Ensure you have the bank's contact information saved in case of emergencies. Monitor your accounts regularly. Check your account balance and transaction history frequently to detect any irregularities. Report any unauthorized transactions immediately. For companies, diversify banking relationships. Work with multiple banks or financial institutions to ensure access to alternative accounts during outages. Use different payment platforms to reduce dependency on a single banking app. Implement contingency plans. Develop a backup plan for payroll processing, vendor payments, and other critical transactions. Maintain a list of alternative payment methods, e.g., wire transfers, checks, for emergencies. Communicate with stakeholders. Inform employees, vendors, and clients about potential delays due to banking app outages. Provide updates on the situation and expected resolution timelines. Leverage offline banking services. Use traditional banking methods, such as visiting a branch or making phone transactions, during app outages. Ensure authorized personnel have access to offline banking tools. Invest in financial management tools. Use accounting software that integrates with multiple banks to switch seamlessly during outages. Maintain up-to-date records of all transactions to avoid confusion. General tips for both individuals and companies. Stay informed. Follow news and updates about the banking sector to anticipate potential issues. Subscribe to alerts from your bank or financial service providers. Build an emergency fund. Set aside funds to cover essential expenses during disruptions. For businesses, maintain a cash reserve to manage operational costs. Report issues promptly. Notify your bank immediately if you experience issues with the app. Document the problem and any losses incurred for potential compensation claims. Advocate for better services. Provide feedback to your bank about the outage and its impact. Encourage banks to invest in robust IT infrastructure and disaster recovery plans. Conclusion. While banking app outages can be frustrating, individuals and companies can take proactive steps to minimize their impact. By diversifying payment methods, planning ahead, and maintaining open communication, stakeholders can navigate these disruptions effectively. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure financial stability and continuity, even in the face of technological challenges. Be a smart wolf who catches the opportunity. Follow me for real-time signals and my risk management that I follow. Thank you. Goodbye.